I reckon we'd be able to do that for free.
For free?
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't understand the word he just said then. Ah.
Bit of steel edging up the driveway, crushed rock. Ah, no worries, mate.
Oh. Yeah, stop here. You all right, mate? You all right there?
What happened?
Are you stuck? Tom, do you want to...
Give me a bit of a push.
Yeah, we'll give you a bit of a push.
Nice.
Go on. No, that's all right.
Thank you very much. Yeah. What can I do for you?
Oh, well, I reckon we might be able to do something here for you.
Today?
I reckon we'd be able to do that for free.
For free?
Yeah.
We give it a quick scrape for you,
Good on you, mate.
put a fresh topping, sort the levels out for the drainage.
This is alright. Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, this is no gimmicks.
No gimmicks, no gimmicks, mate. No gimmicks with
Thank
us.
you very much.
It might cost you a cup of tea and a couple of biscuits, and that's it.
Oh, plenty biscuit there.
Beautiful. No worries. So, Con and Josh, we're going to need some toppings for this driveway after we dig it out.
Mhm.
Any idea where we're going to get some toppings from, Josh?
What sort of toppings do you reckon we should get? You think maybe Seymour toppings?
I think Seymour toppings, they compacts really well.
Yeah, I reckon as well. You happy with Seymour toppings, Con?
That's alright with me, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah,
I know the boys down at Sunbury Sand and Soil, so might be able to give them a buzz and see if they might be able to help us out and maybe even give us some free rock.
Oh,
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah, would. Yeah.
Marvelous. One, bam, go.
I'm working for you, Con. We'll get it done today, I promise.
Good boy.
This is Mick.
Yeah, Mick, it's Josh Kruzer. How you going?
G'day, mate. How are you?
Yeah, good, mate. Good. I'm just doing a bit of a love job down at Sunbury here. Just wondering if you guys might be able to sponsor some rock for us.
Oh, I'm sure we can help you out, mate. What are you after?
Possibly four or 5 metres of Seymour toppings.
Yeah, no worries, mate. We can help you out. No worries, mate. Are you after that as soon as we can?
Yeah, that'd be great.
I'm sure we can help you out with that, Josh. Thanks for the call, mate, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon, Mick. Cheers.
See you, mate. Bye.
Okay. I'm back in a minute.
Side update. Halfway through it, getting it done. Roof's about to fall off. How good?
Sun's out.
Sun's out.
That's all that matters, mate. Sun's out.
Guys, it's a bit of a side update. Got Tommy up the back here, just finishing off on this side cut. We've got rock on the way, and I think the customer's going to be pretty excited once it's all done. Hey Tommy, give me a quick rundown. I've just made this mark here for you. If you can just scrape it down about sort of 30-50 mil, just so when the toppings come in here, the toppings can run back and be flush with the grass.
Radio.
Nice.
Like this?
Yeah.
Right. 2 floors up.
Nick.
No worries
I
at all,
appreciate
mate.
it, man. Do you want to come and meet the client?
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. This is Mick from Sunbury Sand and Soil.
John, pleasure to meet you, mate.
He's the one that's sponsored all the rock for us.
very much.
No worries at all.
Good man, all the others.
Well, let us know whenever you need anything else, Con. It's a
Thank you
pleasure.
very much, mate.
All right,
Thanks a
you
lot.
take care, okay?
Good with you.
No worries. Thank you.
Thanks again, Mick.
Oh, beautiful job, mate.
Boys are just finishing up, packing up.
Yeah, thank you very much. You live spotless. Terrific, nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Nice crush
I
rock.
never thought to get this.
Bit of a garden.
Beautiful. I love your garden there, mate.
Yeah.
Beautiful. With blossoms on it.
That's
see
it.
it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Right.
No worries.
Okay. Very good job. Thank you very much. Hey,
Yeah, you having a good time, Con?
beautiful today, mate.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful day. Gonna be tomorrow. But anyway, so far we go very good.
If you would like to say something back home to the creek.
All right. I want to know because I have a guy. Ευκαιρία τώρα να δούμε τέλος πάντων την ευκαιρία που μας δίνει αυτό το μέρος εδώ πέρα. Σαν κράτος, ας είμαστε New Australians, μας προσέχουν even, μας έχουν equal με αυτούς και μας προσέχουν, για παράδειγμα σήμερα, πάρε από αυτόν τον άνθρωπο εδώ. Right. That's it.
I didn't understand a word he just said then, but that was great. That sounded good. Thanks, God.